Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account has Roblox Premium and trade permissions. This matters because trades require both. Once confirmed, open the trading ticket interface in the game, usually in the menu or at a trade kiosk, and select the other player. You now create a new ticket, pick the recipient, name it if required, and add an initial offer. Do this early so the system locks in participants and prevents duplicate tickets from being opened. Once the ticket exists, add what you will trade: items, Robux, or game assets. You should balance value and be transparent because fair offers reduce disputes. Use the review panel to compare both sides and see suggested values. Make adjustments to quantities, remove or add items, and add a short note explaining intent before sending. After you hit send, the other player sees the exact offer and can accept, counter, or request clarification. This keeps negotiations to finish. Either accept the offer or respond with a counter. Make sure you confirm every item and Robux amount because finalizing is irreversible. Once both players accept, wait for the server confirmation and then check your inventory to verify receipt. If something goes wrong, missing item, stuck ticket, or a sync error, reopen the ticket chat to resolve with the other player first, and if needed, file an in-game support request with screenshots to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.